were about to escape, you're next in line, and then the bus just plummets straight down? Why did it hold up to begin with? Why didn't it sink right away? And I've always wondered, if you're stuck in a vehicle underwater, can you just not swim up? Now the comments talk about how they feel sorry for the parents. Those 6 students who survived definitely won the lottery of life. And someone says, I live in Washington when this happened. It was all over the news. My grandpa told me about it. I'm now older and understand now. It's all disturbing to think about. I couldn't agree more. Now if we search up the accident, it seems this took place in 1945. Oh, that makes a lot more sense. It says they were on a normal ride home, but the bus struck a rock, setting it off course. It slid down a steep embankment, rolled twice before landing upright on a submerged boulder. That must be how it realized before trying to open the door. Now I guess it is possible, but because of the pressure, doors may become difficult or impossible to open underwater. That must have been such a scary thing to experience. Well, the good news is it says since then they paved the road, built guardrails, and they're making sure that this
Magkano ang raw stones na to?
Mga scrap lang yung mga yan. Walang may gusto. Kung gusto mo, bilhin mo. 5 per pound.
Hoy bata, akala mo patatas ang bibilin mo?
Wala man lang siyang ginagawa ng tools. Siya sa bagay na yan. Isang probinsyana. Ano bang alam niya?
Master King, naka 10 stones lahat.
Talaga ba? Gusto mo makahanap ng 10 Imperial Green Jade sa mga lumang scraps?
Nananaginip ka ba?
Ang motto ng university natin ay maging mapagkumbaba. Yang kayabangan mo ang magdadala ng kahihiyan sa eskwelahan natin!
Bakit nyo ba inaaksaya ang oras nyo sa estudyanteng to? Buksan na lang natin ang mga bato. Let's go! Tingnan natin ngayon kung may masasabi pa ang babaeng ito.
Si Master Baker may glass jadeite. Ang halaga, 10 million.
$10 million jadeite! Siguradong top quality yan!
Magaling talagang pumili ang tatlong master na yan. Panalo na si Master Baker.
Paano ba yan? Sa akin na ang Jade Market.
Master King, yung